Welcome back to our channel, where we're always on the lookout for exciting business ideas. Today, we're going to explore 10 unique business ideas that have the potential to be both profitable and fulfilling. So, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking for some inspiration, keep watching. Segment 1: Eco-friendly products. With increasing environmental consciousness, businesses focusing on eco-friendly products are thriving. From sustainable fashion to zero-waste household items, this is a great niche to explore. Segment 2: Virtual reality experiences. Virtual reality is becoming increasingly popular, and businesses that offer immersive VR experiences have a wide customer base. Think beyond gaming and consider applications in education, therapy, or tourism. Segment 3: Personalized subscription boxes. Subscription boxes have taken the market by storm. By offering personalized boxes tailored to specific interests or needs, you can create a unique experience for customers and generate recurring revenue. Segment 4: Mobile app development for seniors. As the elderly population grows, there's a rising demand for user-friendly mobile apps catered specifically to seniors. Consider developing apps that assist with health monitoring, social connection, or leisure activities. Segment 5: Drone services. Drones have numerous applications, from aerial photography to package delivery. Starting a drone service business allows you to tap into this emerging market and offer innovative solutions to various industries. Segment 6: Experiential event planning. With the rise of social media, people crave unique and immersive experiences. By organizing experiential events such as pop-up museums, themed parties, or adventure retreats, you can create unforgettable moments for your clients. Segment 7: Personal styling and wardrobe consulting. Fashion-conscious individuals often seek professional guidance to curate their wardrobes. Starting a personal styling and wardrobe consulting business can cater to this market, helping clients discover their unique style and confidence. Segment 8: Health and wellness coaching. As people become more health conscious, the demand for health and wellness coaches continues to grow. Whether it's offering personalized fitness plans or holistic wellness programs, this business idea combines passion for health with helping others. Segment 9: Sustainable farming and agriculture. Sustainable farming and agriculture are gaining popularity as consumers prioritize locally sourced and organic products. Starting a small-scale sustainable farm or urban garden can cater to this growing market. Segment 10: Ethical and fair trade e-commerce. Conscious consumers are increasingly concerned about the ethics behind the products they purchase. Creating an e-commerce platform that focuses on fair trade, ethically sourced products can meet this demand while supporting artisans and communities. And there you have it. 10 unique business ideas to consider as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, finding success requires dedication, creativity, and a thorough understanding of your target market. So, choose a business idea that aligns with your passions and values, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. Good luck, and until next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting business ideas. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your support. Money Mastery Team. As always, we appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.